This 2020 Keystone Hideout 24 LHSWE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone and features sleeps 3, Slideout, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.